and sources. All of us eat different kinds of food during the day. Our lunch is different from breakfast, and our dinner may be different from lunch. But when you miss your lunch or breakfast, you feel tired and exhausted. It shows that you lack energy. Remain active. To keep your body working properly, it must be supplied with food regularly. It is the food which supplies us energy and keeps us active and alive. The function of food. The main function of foods are as follows. It provides energy for various activities of the body. It provides material for repair of damaged cells and to replace dead cells in the body. It helps the body to grow. It helps us and enables us to fight against infections. Thank you.